Let me solve a problem for you from chapter Applications of Percentage. The problem is this: if successive discounts of 8%, 4% and 2 and 1 by 2% are allowed, what would be the net selling price of a bicycle whose mark price is 1500 rupees? Okay? So your solution, let me solve. What is given, let us write in the form of statements. Mark price is equal to 1500 rupees and there are 3 successive discounts. The 3 given successive discounts are that we can write as D1. Discount 1 is 8%, discount 2 is 4%, discount 3 is 2 and 1 by 2%. 2 and 1 by 2% means 5 by 2%. Okay? And you know that selling price is equal to marked price minus discount. Selling price is equal to marked price minus discount, means marked price minus 1 minus D by 100, D%. Discount percent of the mark price, if you subtract from the mark price, you will get the selling price. But there are 3 successive discounts. So after first discount, the price will be this much. And on this, we will have second discount. And after the second discount, the price will be this much. On that, we will have third discount. I hope this is clear to you. Now let us substitute the values of mark price, D1, D2 and D3 and solve. Mark price is 1500 into 1 minus 8 by 100 and 1 minus D2 is 4 by 100 and 1 minus discount 3 is 5 by 2%, that is 5 by 2 by 100 means in the denominator we can write 100. Let us simplify. 4 2s are 4 25s are 4 1s are 4 25s are 5 1s are 5 20s are. So that is equal to 1500 into 1 minus 2 by 25. 1 minus means here 1 minus 2 by 25 means here 1 we have to take as 25 by 25 because denominator is 25. So 25 minus 2 is 23 by 25. Here also denominator 25, 1 minus 1 by 25. That means 25 by 25 we have to take. 25 minus 1 is 24 by 25. And here 1, 2, 20s are 40. So this one you have to take as 40 by 40. 40 minus 1 is 39 by 40. If you cannot, you take the LCM 40, 40 minus 1, like that also can be done. Okay. Now let us simplify. 1 0 1 0 cancelled. 25 1s are 25 6s are. Okay. 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 1s are 2 12s are. Now let us multiply all these. 23 3s are 69. Okay. 69 into 12. 12 9s are 108, 8 10 carry. 12 6 are 72 plus 10 is 82. So 3 into 63 69 into 12 I did into 39 into 39. 9 8 is 72 2 7 carrying. 9 2s are 18 7 25 5 2 carrying. 9 8 is 72 2 is 74. 3 8 is 24 2 carrying. 3 2s are 6 2 8 3 8 is 24. So we get 32292. 32292 by 25. By 25. Now we have to divide this by 25. Okay. Let me divide here. 32292. 25 1s are 25. 7 2. 25 2s are 50. 2 2 take 9. 25 9s are 225. 4 take 2. 25 1s are 25. 12 minus 5 is 7. 3 minus 2 is 1. If you take 0, put a decimal. 25 6 are 150. 20. Take one more 0. 25 8 are 200. So we get 1291.68 rupees is the net selling price. So what would be the net selling price of a bicycle whose mark price is 1500 rupees? That means, children, when you do the rub first, you don't rub. You keep like that. Here, because of lack of space, I am rubbing. Therefore, the net selling price is 1291.68 rupees. I hope this is clear to you. So if there are 3 successive discounts, directly we can use this formula and solve. Thank you.